Hi, welcome to story time. We have now skeleton hiccups. See what this is all about. Skeleton woke up. Had the hiccups. He had the hiccups. Poor skeleton. Oh, took a shower. Still had the hiccups. Brushed his teeth. Oh my goodness, the poor guy. Polished his bones. Still with hiccups. Carved a pumpkin. Oh, he does good pumpkin carving, doesn't he? He did a really good job. Well, kind of, because of the hiccups. Raked some leaves. He was just a mess. Played with Ghost. Play ball. Him and the Ghost. Ghost told Skeleton, hold your breath. Eat some sugar. It's not working. Poor Skeleton. Press your fingers over your eyeballs. Not working. Drink some water upside down. Not working. Poor Skeleton. Ghost made a face. Said boo to Skeleton. Still got him. But nothing worked. The hiccups stayed. Then Ghost got smart. He's digging for something in that trunk, isn't he? Found a mirror. Held it up. You think it worked? Maybe. Skeleton screamed. The hiccups left. Yay! No. They jumped away. Hooray! That was kind of silly, but it was cute.